Hi everyone, I've called you here today for a few reasons. First, I want to acknowledge how far we've come and what we've built over the past 3 years due to your hard work and commitment to kids. I don't want to cause us trauma, but I do want to go back 3 years ago to 2015, not only to the beginning of our school year, but to our first year as a new school. Because rather than having extra days to build school and plan our year, you were sifting through the remnants of your flooded and destroyed classrooms. Instead of working together to develop lessons, you worked together to unpack boxes into portable classrooms and build these empty rooms into inviting learning environments for our students who were set to arrive within days. And you all persevered. Not only were you and your classrooms ready, you created a warm, safe community for students who hadn't felt connected to or safe at their previous schools. And you put your blood, sweat, and tears, many of you literally, into rethinking, reforming, and rewriting your curriculum in order to give students more authentic and meaningful learning experiences through project-based learning. In 3 short years, we've made tremendous gains and are heading in the right direction. And now we need to better chart this path and measure and document our growth. Moving forward, I'm going to ask you to do this by forming professional learning communities, or PLCs. PLCs will help us better ensure that our students, who often come to us having been socially promoted and struggle with basic skills as well as social emotional needs, will leave us with the skills needed to meet the demands of their careers and education beyond our walls. How can we better support Cisco in his efforts to write a complete sentence? How can we better support James when he's not challenged by the task at hand? How can we measure what and how much Maddie learned in the Shark Tank project, or how much the seniors' writing and research skills have improved? In short, what can we do to ensure that rather than simply a ticket out of high school, our diploma is a ticket through the doors of opportunity for our students? In your PLCs, you will have ongoing dedicated time to work every month of every school year. In your PLCs, your time will be used to identify and measure 4 targets: what standards your students will be learning, how you'll know what your students are learning, how to respond to, engage, and support students who aren't learning the skills, like Cisco, and how to respond to, engage, and support students who are learning the skills, like James. My role is to support you in this endeavor in any way I can. To begin, I will provide you with some basic tools, data, and guidance to help direct and start you on this journey. Based on what you've done in 3 short years, I have total faith in your ability to continue to move us forward, and I can't wait to celebrate our continued growth and dedication to making our students true mavericks, who are skilled enough to successfully conquer their next adventure, and who will proudly carry their diploma through many doors of opportunity. Let's get started.